it's Miss Ess. Are you ready to learn something fun today? I wonder what's inside our magic laptop today. Let's see what it has to share. Help me wake it up. Magic laptop jelly bean, take us to the learning screen. Here we are. Today we are going to learn 5 new sight words. Sight words are words we see and use all the time when we read. Learning them helps us become stronger readers. Are you ready? Let's learn! Our first sight word is in. Say it with me. In. Let's read it in a sentence. The ball is in the box. Great job! Our next sight word is it. Say it with me. It. Let's read this one in a sentence. It is a sunny day. Wonderful! Our next sight word is on. Say it with me. On. Let's read this one in a sentence. The book is on the table. You got it! Look at you with that genius behavior. Our next sight word is like. Say it with me. Like. Let's read it in a sentence. I like to read. Excellent! Our last sight word is little. Say it with me. Little. Let's read this one in a sentence. I see a little dog. Great reading! Yeah! Okay, friends, let's review our 5 new sight words. In, it, on, like, little. Now, say them with me one more time. In, it, on, like, little. Amazing job! You learned 5 new sight words today. Now, let's go back to the classroom. Magic laptop jelly bean, back to the classroom. 1, 2, 3. What a wonderful day of learning. I am so proud of you. And remember, friends, when you try your best, learn from your mistakes, and treat others with kindness, that's genius behavior. See you next time. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so we can be learning friends every single day. Bye!